Hi, so I'm in bed editing and I totally forgot to film an intro and an outro for this video that I'm editing. So I thought I would do it right now. So I'm gonna pull up my information to make sure I get it all correct. But this video is made in partnership with Wildgrain. Now they did not pay me for this, but they did reach out to me to see if I was interested in working with them, and I said 100% yes, because Wildgrain is an online subscription service, kind of like any other meal service, only it's made with small businesses and it's fresh, homemade. It's already cooked, you just have to like heat it essentially, and it's fresh homemade pasta, bread, desserts, all kind of grain like foods. So they reached out to me and they're offering a discount for you guys, which is amazing, and I'm so happy to offer it to you. So the discount code I will put on the screen now and throughout the video and down below, and for the first 50 people to sign up, so make sure you do this quickly, you will get $10 off your first box and free croissants in every box. And honestly, I can tell you right now, like, this is supposed to be an intro, but like, spoiler alert, it's amazing. Like, I'm shocked actually. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm obsessed with bread. Pasta is like my favorite, and I'm getting into more desserts more and more, but like, pasta has always been like one of my favorites. Like, growing up, my mom was like, if you eat any more noodles, you're gonna turn into one. And this box has made that love for pasta and bread so much more intense. So I want to show you guys the whole process and how easy it is and how great it is. But like, when it's homemade, it's different. It tastes like you spent hours making it. Like, if I made any of these things for someone who came over, they'd be like, how long did you take making this? And I'd be like, 25 minutes from the freezer to the table. So I'm so excited about this, and I just wanted to let you guys know. So please enjoy this video. When you have any questions, please leave them down below, and don't forget, only the first 50 people who use this link will get $10 off their first box, and you get free croissants in every box. So keep watching. Oh, what do we have in here? We have fettuccine, whatever that is, sourdough loaf, a sesame seed loaf, ciabatta, apple pie bites, croissant, and a thank you card. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have. Wow. There's the croissants. So we want them. I have to give something to my mom because there's just so much in our freezer as a baby. Okay, here's the sourdough sesame bread. The regular sourdough bread. Oh, there's more something in the bottom. This is packed really nice. Ooh. Apple pie bites, I believe. What's this one? The fettuccine, and it has all the cooking instructions. Slow fermented olive oil ciabatta. That's the one I really want. Oh my god. Okay, that's everything that came. What a good amount of stuff. So we have the fettuccine, vegetarian, clean ingredients, unbleached flour, no artificial colors. Fun. Croissants I'm very excited about. The ciabatta I'm excited about. These are the apple pie bites. Yum. And then we have two kinds of noodles. We have the fettuccine, we have this regular tonarelli. I never even heard of that. I might give that one to my mom. And then we have two sourdough breads. One regular and one with seeds. So I'll probably keep the seeded one and give this one to my mom because they don't like seeds at her house. But look at that. That's nice. Now we have this tiny little freezer, so hopefully everything will fit. Okay, we're making the first Wildgrain box recipe or product. This is the apple pie bites. All the info is right on the back, so there's no extra packaging. It's already like on the packaging. These are vegetarian, have clean ingredients, unbleached flour, non-GMO, and no artificial colors. All the ingredients are right here. Very simple, like how you would make it homemade. It says you can serve them with vanilla ice cream. We only have chocolate chip cookie dough, so probably whipped cream is gonna be it. But I have to preheat the oven to 425, so let's do that. Okay, so it says put in the oven on middle rack on a non-stick pan or parchment paper. I use tin foil. I don't have parchment paper. Put in the oven on middle rack, bake for 20 to 25 minutes, carefully remove, let sit for 15 minutes, and you're done. It does say you can also top with sugar to make it crunchy, but I don't think we need any more sugar, but let's do it.
sizzling. That one exploded, but that was my fault. You have to try it and be the judge. Be hot. Let me know if it's too hot.
Good.
What was that?
They're good.
Ooh. It is hot on the inside, but it's good. Tastes homemade. Doesn't taste like store-bought or Pillsbury. Winner? Can you get these again? Mm-hmm. Winner. The outside's really good. It's unique. It's like crunchy instead of like thin and flavorless. The outside actually has a lot of like flavor. It tastes like something really homemade. I'm not just saying that, it really does. So we'll see what the pasta and the breads are like. I'm really excited. We also have the croissants, so that'll be a good one.
2 days later.
We just ordered a pizza and we want an appetizer because it's gonna take an hour. So we're gonna make the slow fermented olive oil ciabatta. It says we hand stretch and brush each ciabatta with extra virgin olive oil before it enters the oven, and it's slowly fermented. Its crumb is rich and open, and its crust is nice and crispy. So I just preheated the oven. We're gonna put it on the rack without a sheet for 20 to 22 minutes, and that's it. And then it says let cool for 20 minutes to finish baking. So it should be done just in time to eat before we get the pizza. Okay, so we've already eaten like 3 pieces of the bread. It's very fresh. It definitely tastes homemade. The inside is my favorite part. The outside is a little too crunchy. So here's like the top of the outside, and like I just want you to hear it. Ready? It's crunchy, which some people may love. For me, I prefer the inside. My cat literally came up and just licked it, so obviously it's a winner. My boyfriend ate 2 pieces, but like, so here's the bottom. It's super, super hard. Like inside, if I just rip some of it off with one hand. That's really good stuff is. I really love ciabatta bread. It's one of my favorites. So I was really excited to make this, and it's delicious and fresh, and like, I would never take the time to like make bread homemade. It was delicious, so easy. Obviously, you literally just stick it in the oven. You don't have to like mix yeast and wait for yeast to rise and like whatever, however you use yeast. I can't wait to try the pasta, so that's probably gonna be the last thing we record. So we've tried the dessert, we've tried the bread, and we're gonna probably do the pasta. I'm excited for the croissants, but I feel like you can't mess up a croissant. So yeah, I'm excited for the pasta, but this bread is delicious. So
2 days later.
hi guys, so today I'm making my not final of all the things we had, but I've made a bread, I made a dessert, and now we're gonna make the fettuccine. Tonight I'm making fish, and I'm gonna make like a side with the pasta and zucchini. So I will take you along that journey and then let you know how it comes out. I'm sure it's gonna be great because I love pasta, and this is like the closest to homemade pasta you're gonna get in my house. So let's do it.
Hi, I'm back again, editing me here, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you could tell how genuinely amazing this food is. Please use my link down below to sign up. Like I said, this is an affiliate link, and I do work with the brand. I'm not getting paid to make this video, but I do get commission if you do use my link to sign up, and I did get the items for free, so I just want to make sure that's completely clear. But I would sign up for this box on my own with my own money because it is that good. I'm having people over, this is what I'm having, because it still is like you're making it, but like not. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you sign up for Wildgrain, and you will probably see them again on my channel.